Question 1. What does a red traffic light mean? B. Stop. Question 2. What should you do before turning left at an intersection? Signal left and slow down. Question 3. A triangular sign with a red border usually means. A warning. Question 44. A blue circular road sign usually indicates. Something you must do. Question 5. What does a flashing yellow traffic light mean? Proceed with caution. Question 6. What is the meaning of a no U-turn sign? You cannot make a U-turn. Question 7. What should you do when an emergency vehicle approaches with siren and flashing lights? C. Pull over and let it pass. Question 8. A sign showing a pedestrian figure means. Pedestrian crossing. Question 9. What does a broken white line in the center of the road mean? B. Lane divider. Overtaking allowed if safe. Question 10. When approaching a roundabout, you must. Yield to traffic already in the roundabout. Question 11. What is the correct hand signal for a right turn? B. Left arm bend upward. Question 12. What does a red and white circular sign mean? Prohibition or restriction. Question 113. What should you do at a yield sign? C. Slow down and give way if necessary. Question 14. What does a school zone sign indicate? See, children may be crossing. Slow down. Question 15. What does a white solid line at an intersection mean? Question 16. What does a sign with a car and curved lines behind it mean? A slippery road ahead. Question 17. What does a red triangle with an exclamation mark mean? A hazard or danger ahead. Question 18. When should you use your turn signal? Every time you turn or change lanes. Question 19. What does a sign with a horn crossed out mean? The horn prohibited. Question 20. What does a yellow diamond-shaped sign with a deer symbol mean? The Animal Crossing.
Subscribe to my channel.